So here's the current levels of the game, and you know what's missing? A level select screen. Hello and welcome back to my King and Queen Devlog, where I'm remaking this puzzle platformer game from Unity to Godot. Previously, I showed you the complaints I've had when making my player move in Godot, and now it's about the level select screen. To make this work, I initially made a new Godot project with just these two scenes, a chicken and a turtle scene. Then, I hard-coded these scripts. To put it simply, if the chicken button is pressed, the game checks if the turtle scene is open, and closes it and removes it from the tree. This is added to prevent two levels opened. Imagine opening level 3 while your level 2 is opened. Then, the chicken scene is added to the tree. And now you can see the new level. The same is true with the turtle button. Just swap the chicken with the turtle scene. Now that we know how it works, let's see this in action. Click this button and go to the remote. As you can see, if I press this button, it will go to the chicken, and if I press this turtle button, it switches to the turtle scene. After that, I remade this whole concept into my project. And I also made a script for these buttons. This creates a new button copy based on the number of levels the game has, so that I won't be manually creating this from scratch. The process was tedious, but I managed to do it. And the process is pretty simple. First, add a parent node for your UI. Next, add a grid container. Then, create a button that will be the basis for your button copies. Then add this script. The script will iterate the number of buttons generated with a loop, then call the duplicate function to make a new copy. Set the button properties like text, for example, through code, then call the add child function of your parent node to pass the newly created copy as a child. This way, you can have as many button copies as you want. Just don't forget to disable the original button to avoid future errors. And I'll maybe create a tutorial for this one or in the future. Just check this vid's description below if it's already uploaded in my channel. In this third day of game dev, I taught myself how UI works in Godot. Admittedly, UI is not my forte in game dev, so after 4 hours of work, I just learned how themes and styles work. Next day, in just 30 minutes, I finally managed to create this main menu. Here's a tip for every Godot game devs. Always keep in your mind about the anchor mode of your camera and stick to it. Don't do it stupidly like I did as you see on the screen. And with a few tweaks, here's my current level select screen in Godot. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people who liked, subscribed, and commented in the last devlogs. Even though this channel is growing at a very slow pace, thanks for adding growth boost to it. And if you want to support the game's development, you can always click that subscribe button or check my Ko-fi page. Bye!